beauties, how are you guys doing? So I'm out and about today with my girls. Girls, say hey. Hey. Say hey, Aaliyah. Hey. This is Amia. That's Aria right there in the back. And that's Aaliyah. And we are going out today to do a couple of things. Returning some shoes for Aria. You know, this whole COVID-19 situation where we're at on the Kentucky state line. They're not accepting returns right now. So we're going to go try to return these shoes because her feet are getting big.
My tablet is coming.
Yeah, your tablet is on the way. We're also going to get her some new sneakers. Right, Ari?
I want JoJo's shoes.
JoJo's shoes? Okay. And Amia wants some run around shoes for like in the yard and stuff because we're out in the country, so we have a lot of space for them to run. And we're going to get a little something special for Aaliyah from Dollar Tree. And while we're at Dollar Tree, Mommy's probably going to get some nail supplies. We'll see what we can get there. And later on, I'm gonna get to it and do another video. Hopefully I can use some of the stuff from Dollar Tree that I pick up. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I get some really cute like stickers and things like that, but we'll see. But anyway, y'all enjoy y'all Saturday. We have a lot of sun and stuff out here and we're having a good time. Say bye, girls. Bye. I'll see you soon. Bye. So needless to say, we went to Dollar Tree. We did all our running around. I went to like 2 Dollar Trees and I still could not find anything. Like, I wanted like purple butterflies, but I just couldn't find anything. So had to do what I had to do with what I had. So y'all can see from the beginning, this is all about marbling, baby. Now, I do not have any gel polish. Y'all already know that. I only have this hybrid gel LA Colors polish that I get from Dollar General. So I'm going to use that with another polish I picked up a while ago. Like it changes colors under hot and cold water. I'm going to use that. I got that from Five Below a long time ago. I think it was like $2. I can't remember. But I'm going to use 2 of my LA Colors gel and that polish that I got from Five Below to be able to make that pretty marble you guys saw in the beginning. So today I decided that I am going to do the thumb on this practice hand. Now y'all know I usually just do the 4 fingers and be done with it, but I was like, you know what, your girl's getting a little bit faster since she's been practicing and stuff like that, so let me just try it out and see how much longer it's gonna add to my process to get a set done. So today is thumb day, baby. We're gonna have some thumb action going on in this video. But going back to all the errands we ran today, like I had a list of things in my head that I wanted to do and I didn't get anywhere, like not even 50% of that stuff done. But I did have an awesome time with my girls, even though they stayed in the car the entire time, except for once when we had to make a bathroom break. I had so much fun just driving around, talking, listening to music, then watching videos and stuff like that, and just vibing with my girls all day today. We hit up a couple places. The major things that we wanted to get done was done. So I still feel some sense of accomplishment out of all of that, but all in all, it was a very enjoyable day today with my babies. So the idea for these nails that I had in my head, you know, usually when you think about something and then you actually do it, is different than what you were thinking of. But y'all, I've been dreaming about these nails and they came out exactly the way I envisioned it. Like I had this marble heart on 2 of the nails, like when you put the nails together it formed a heart. I had these reverse French nails and I was like purple and white and like a glittery purple and a little hint of a light purple in there, and I was like, I'm just gonna do it and then see what happens. And I was amazed that my thought process that I envisioned, I was able to execute it and it came out so pretty. Like I'm biased about purple, so I'm sorry if you don't like purple, but I'm biased. but y'all are gonna see in a minute how beautiful this came out. I love it. This is the kind of nails that I want to wear when I get out of the army and become a civilian. So I already did one, and now you're gonna see, you know, I just wanted to test it and see how it looked, and I was just in awe and just smitten by that freaking nail. It was so cute. So purple marbling nail with polygel. So I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit how I was able to get this marble done. I've told y'all before, like, if you have the colored polygels, you can just add dabs to the nail and work the nail with a patting motion to get that marble effect. Not wanting to mix them too much to kind of, you know, migrate the colors and make it muddy looking. But I went ahead straight on my little palette that I messed up there. I just wrapped it in plastic wrap to be able to use it again. But I'm still focusing on doing that patting motion so I'm not mixing up the colors too much, and then I just have this purple blob on the nail. So what I used pretty much for this was my white gelin polygel and those 3 nail polish colors that you saw me applying to the you'll see me, I'm sorry, applying to the white polygel that I'm gonna put down in a second. So here's a little disclaimer about white polygel. When you're using this white, it has a different cure time as opposed to when you're using clear or the other nude colors or pinks and stuff like that. So for all of these nails, I did a full 60 seconds. When that was up, I did another 60 seconds. And when that was up, I flipped it on the underside and I did 2 rotations of 60-second cures. So that way, when I went into filing this thing, it was fully cured and it wasn't gonna be flaking and soft and just falling apart, because my vision, I was not about to have all this hard work put into it and then I had to take it off, redo it, and get frustrated and things like that. So there I was, you know, like losing some of the colors. So I decided just to add a few dabs of that polish back onto it, and I was able to just continue working that onto the nail to get that pretty little marble look. Like, oh my gosh, when you're done filing this, guys, it is so beautiful. So here, I know I'm a little bit out of the frame and I'm gonna fix myself in a little bit, so don't get mad at me. But doing this design, once I started doing it and started putting my vision to canvas, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so super easy, and it was coming out so pretty. And I know I'm biased about purple because I love purple, but y'all can't tell me that this isn't pretty. I'm gonna fix myself in a little bit. Again, I know I'm out of frame. I'm gonna fix myself, but y'all can't tell me that this isn't pretty. Like, look at that already. I haven't applied top coat. I haven't filed nothing, but that marble is just coming through right now. So here I'm going to show you guys how I was able to mix these in a second. I wanted to take my time so you guys can see the patting motion that I'm doing. I'm not aggravating this polygel and these polishes too much. I'm continuously cleaning my brush to get the color off. But while this is curing for 60 seconds, again, I said each nail took a 60-second cure on top of the other nail that was already done that was getting a 60-second cure. So like this thing was just curing and curing and curing. I just wanted to make sure that that white was all the way cured because I didn't want no issues. But I just spread out some of that polygel, even if you're doing it with clear polygel or you're marbling just the pinks and some white and gray and things like that together. You just put them out on the palette. Here, I'm just dropping a couple drops of the polishes that I have in separate places. And I'm gonna try to like go really slow, but what I do to mix it is I do a figure 8 type of motion and then just make a line straight down in the middle. And I aggravate it to where I like it and then I stop, because you don't want to over, mix this thing and then you just get one solid purple color and then you're like, ugh, I gotta start over. So here you can see how I'm just taking my time and I just go in with that figure 8 motion, and once I get it where I want it, I stop right there. And I'm gonna use that same exact tool to get that that polygel and polish mix into this nice little heart crevice that I made on one of the nails. And then I'm gonna go back into that patting motion, get everything into place, and then go in with clear to encapsulate. And I'll get back to you guys once I start encapsulating. Marbles are so pretty, guys. I don't care what color you use to marble, like each finger just comes out so unique and just so different. And that's the thing I love about marbling, because it's really pretty. Initially when I tried this, I did it when I was first starting and trying to work polygels and things like that, and I did it in this blue color, and it was just absolutely amazing. It looked like it was like the Milky Way galaxy on this nail. It was just so pretty. It had like this pretty little swirl, and everything was just right and sparkly and in place. But I'm gonna make sure that I encapsulate this, because I don't want to lose all of that when I get into filing and shaping and buffing these nails. So you just use as much as you can. I'm working my way from the bottom up to not make my tip so thick, and I'm focusing on where the nail bed meets that marble polygel, so that way I can get that fully covered and then work on fixing the structure and the strength areas where I need it as I go along. So y'all, even though I didn't get any stickers and things like that, like I said, I tried a couple Dollar Trees and on some of my stops to places like Walmart and things like that. I tried to look in the areas, you know, where all the nail supplies and stuff are at. And I'm just like, what is going on? Like, there's like no nail supplies there. And you know, that's understandable. I get it. There's more essential products that need to be stocked than those things. But I'm like, did people just buy this stuff up when they were buying all the toilet paper? Like, I'm not understanding what's going on here. But despite all that, not having these stickers, I was like, I just got these pretty little AB crystals from Amazon. It was 300 in this pack. I want to say it cost me around $8 or $9. And I'm just gonna go in with the Your Sugar No Wipe top coat, and I'm just gonna randomly place these stones all over the nails. And I felt like, despite having the stickers, these AB crystals like set these nails off. I know it would have been pretty with the butterfly stickers like I was envisioning, but man, did these crystals do something to this nail, baby. They were so pretty and so shiny. If I was wearing this on a day today, I would more than likely have put my rhinestone glue below the top coat and then add the crystals to it. But it's something about a reverse French nail and these AB crystals that outline that French smile line that's just like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. So while I'm putting these on, and it's gonna speed up in a bit, I just want to take the time out to just say thank you to all of my family, my husband, my kids, my cousins, my mom, my sisters, my aunts and my uncles, my very best friends, my co-workers, everybody that's showing me love and support on my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for loving me and appreciating me by just giving me the support that I need to start up this channel. I know I'm a small YouTuber and I know I'm just starting out, but thank you guys so much for all of your help and love and support. Now you guys, these nails like made me want to really do this on my own self, but I can't, because your girl be having to go into work for these meetings and stuff in uniform, and I cannot walk up in there without a regulation nails. That's just not gonna happen. But one day soon, eventually, I will be able to rock these on a day-to-day and not have to worry about taking some nails off just to be in regulation and go into work. I'm really looking forward to that day, and I hope that you guys stay with me as subscribers throughout my journey until I'm complete with the Army and I can officially say that I am retired at 20 years of service. So working these AB crystals was a lot of fun. It was kind of hard. Next time I'm not gonna just lay them on this paper towel like this. I'm gonna lay them on like a plastic surface because I was struggling trying to get them on my nail katana, trying to get them onto this nail. Like I'd pick them up and go to place them and realize that they fell off in transition between the paper towel and the nail. But these crystals are just so pretty. Like every time the light hits them, you can see how pretty and shimmery they are. Like I like the clear crystals, but it's something about AB crystals that's just absolutely amazing and just beautiful. Like the different colors, rainbow colors that you get in there, and still that clear shimmery effect. It just makes a nail just look so pretty, so beautiful, and so clean. And I enjoyed like just being really random with putting these on. Like I don't like all the nails to be the same for some reason. Like it's like a time and a place where you just put like crystals in the same order on all nails, but I felt like I just got these in the mail and I want to try something new and see how they're gonna look, and the end result I believe came out really cute and really pretty, and I felt like it went so well with this marble nail. Like this is how you do marble nails with polygel when you ain't got all the polygel colors, and I'm glad that it came out really good, so that way you guys will be able to try this on your own and see how it works out. Like you don't have to have a whole bunch of expensive stuff in your repertoire. You can just go ahead and use what you have on hand and make beautiful pretty nails just like the next YouTuber. Okay, so with all that said, I enjoyed doing these nails. I hope that y'all enjoyed watching these videos. Thank you so much again to my family and my loved ones, and as always, I'll most definitely talk to you in my next one. Bye.